This robot vacuum does so much more than just suction. The Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone can pre-spray cleaning solution to tackle stubborn stains and continuously rinses its roller mop with fresh water during cleaning. With a powerful 22,000 power suction, it handles everything from pet hair to everyday dust. And after using it for a while, I now fully understand why it's one of Ecovac's most advanced cleaning robots. Quick heads up, this unit was sent to us by the brand in exchange for this review. This video is sponsored by Ecovacs and they sent this over for me to check it out, but as always my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine and based on real use. So first off, let's start with the unboxing and setup. Everything is well organized and easy to assemble. As you can see, you will get the robot itself, the docking station and everything in between. And after filling up the clean water tank, connecting the robot through the Ecovacs app and letting it mop your home, it was ready to clean right away, where the setup process is very quick and the app makes it easy to customize cleaning zones and everything in between. During testing, the first thing that stood out to me was the focus jet pre-spray system. If I mark an especially dirty area in the app, the robot sprays water onto it before the roller mop starts scrubbing. I tested this with coffee stains and saw slightly dried on stains by the focus jet pre-spray, and the roller cleaned them off effortlessly. The before and after comparison was very clear. As you can see, this pre-spray step really makes a difference for dried on dirt. Another feature that impressed me is the Osmo Roller 3.0 system, featuring a 27 cm extra long roller. Unlike many robot mops that drag the same dirty mop pad across your floors, this roller continuously rinses itself with fresh water during cleaning, and I noticed that my floors were noticeably cleaner with fewer water streaks, especially after cleaning multiple rooms in one session. The suction performance is equally impressive, where the X12 delivers 22,000 power of blast suction, easily picking up dust, pet hair, debris, and larger particles from both hard floors and carpets, and it handles daily cleaning effortlessly, leaving almost nothing behind. Having tested many robot vacuums over the years, one feature that I really appreciate is the Zero Tangle 4.0 anti-tangle brush design, where hair tangling has always been one of the most annoying maintenance issues with robot vacuums, but this system guides hair directly into the suction path, and I ran a pet hair test and you can see that after cleaning there is almost no hair wrapped around the main brush, which means I spend way less time untangling it and more time cleaning in this matter. The carpet protection is also very well thought out. When the robot detects carpet, the roller lifts up by 15 mm and a protective cover isolates any residual moisture, as it also uses a carpet's first cleaning strategy, where it finishes mopping all the hard floors first, then handles the carpeted areas, so it never drags a wet mop onto my carpets. The OmniCyclone docking station is another highlight, where it features a bagless dust collection system, so there is no need for disposable dust bags, which saves money in the long run and means one less consumable to replace. The station also includes an auto dirty water management system. It automatically discharges wastewater after cleaning. On top of that, the hot air drying system keeps the mop and the inside of the station dry and hygienic, preventing odors from developing. I also really like the Power Boost fast charging feature, as when the robot returns to the station, it charges up quickly, and I measured 13% charge in just 3 minutes, which is really good for such powerful vacuum. Navigation is equally impressive thanks to its advanced AI obstacle avoidance, where the X12 can identify cables, shoes, pet toys, and other common household obstacles, cleaning efficiently without getting stuck frequently. I also enjoy using the built-in Ecovoice assistant to start cleaning or give commands without opening the app. All in all, after using this Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone, I can say that it's one of the smartest and most feature-rich robot mop vacuums that I've ever tested. From its powerful suction and innovative self-cleaning roller to its intelligent navigation and bagless maintenance system, it delivers an incredible hands-free cleaning experience. If you are wondering what I think of this product and whether it's worth buying, my answer is definitely yes. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a premium robot mop vacuum with minimal maintenance, and it is especially great for busy families, pet owners, and anyone who wants consistently clean floors without spending time on manual cleaning. Also, if you like the convenience of bagless system but prefer a traditional dust bag design, Ecovacs also offers the X12 Pro Omni version, so you can choose the one that best fits your preference. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone. I hope this was helpful in deciding whether it's the right fit for your home. If you want powerful suction, more thorough mopping, smart obstacle avoidance, and a truly hands-free cleaning experience, then this is definitely the way to go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.